passive income for this 2022. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some ideas in which you could be making passive income in 2022.
This could be ways that I even didn't know.
But I found it and I want to share them with you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to get more information about building your own business, creating passive income, and creating that wealth that you want. And we're going to go over this article together and get some ideas from it, and I'll share with you what I think about, etc. So let's go. Okay, so here we are in my computer. Shout out to Bankrate for this great article where they are discussing 20 passive income ideas to help you make money in 2022. I want to go over it really fast. I'm not going to be reading all of it because we only have some time, so I don't want to overwhelm you, but let's go at least at the beginning and see what they saying. So let's start. It says right here, well, first of all, what is passive income? Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than employer or contractor. The Internal Revenue Service (IRS) says passive income can come from two sources: rental property or a business in which one of those not active participate, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. So this is what passive income is. Passive income is not your job, a second job, non-income producing assets. This is what passive income is not. So let's dive into the 20 ways in which we could be building our wealth. So the first one is create a course. I have talked about this in my previous video, but look, they mention it right here as well. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sales of your products. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. You see, I'm not wrong. I share this with you in some of my videos, which I'm going to link on the top of the screen, so make sure to check them out as well. The second idea is write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leveraging the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by potential millions of would-be buyers. Ebook can be relatively short, perhaps 30 to 50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create since they rely on your own expertise. This is another great way. I have my own ebook, which I'm going to link in the description of this video so that you can check it out. It's actually a free ebook that I'm offering for all my subscribers that are interested in knowing more about Instagram and how to monetize. The link on your bio on Instagram, so I'm gonna leave that in the description of this video as well. Third idea is rental income. Investing in rental property is an effective way to earn passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. So this is another great opportunity. To earn passive income from rental properties, Grace says you must determine three things: how much return you want on the investment, the property's total cost and expenses, and the financial risks of owning the property. That's that. Let's go to number 4, which I also talk about on some of my videos, which is affiliate marketing, which is great. With affiliate marketing, websites owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third-party product by including a link of the product on their sites or social media accounts. Amazon might be the best known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareSell are among the largest names too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. Another way is flip retail products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and sell products that you find at cut rate price elsewhere. You arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sell price and may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. Another great way: sells photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up passive business, but it could allow you to scale your effort, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with organizations such as Getty Image, Shutterstock, or Alamy. Let's continue. Number 7 is buy crowdfunded real estate. If you are interested in investing in real estate but don't want to do a lot of the heavy lifting, management, repairs, handling tenants, and more, then another option is using crowdfunding's platform to invest in properties. An experienced investing team picks up the real estate, and then you can decide to invest in it and how much you're comfortable with. So that's another way. Let's keep going. Number 8, peer to peer lending. A peer to peer or P2P loan is personal loan made between you and the borrower, facilitated through a third-party intermediary such as Prosper or Lending Club. Other players include funding cycles, which target businesses and has higher borrowing limits, and payoff, which targets better credit risks. The opportunity is, as a lender, you earn income via interest payments made on the loan. But because your loan is unsecured, you could end up with nothing in the event of a default. So make sure you really, pay attention to all this before investing on anything. Remember, guys, in this channel, we are not, and I'm not an advisor, I'm not an investing advisor or nothing like that. Before you even try to invest on anything, you should consult with a financial advisor. And then, after you do your own research, then you take the decision on your own risk. The number 9 is dividend stocks. Shareholders in company which dividend yield stocks receive the payment at regular intervals from the company. Companies pay cash dividends on quarterly basis out of their profit, and all you need to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid the per share of stocks, so the more shares you own, the higher you pay out. Opportunities: since the income from the stock isn't related to any activity other than the initial financial investment, owning a dividend yield stock can be one of the most passive forms of making money. The money will simply be deposited in your brokerage account. Wow. Let's continue to number 10, create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make the upfront investment of time and then reap the rewards over the long haul. Your app might be game or that helps mobile users perform some hard to do functions. Once your app is public, users download it and you can generate income. The opportunities are, and an app has huge upsides. If you can design something that catches the fancy of your audience, you will have to consider how to best to generate sales from your app. For example, you might run in app ads or otherwise have users pay a nominal fee for downloading the app. What is this? Buy. Okay. Sorry, something came up on the screen. I wasn't expecting it. The next idea is rent out a parking space if you have it, of course. Do you have a parking space that you're really not using or that could be used by someone else? Where in New York City it's hard, but anyways, you could trade that spot for someone's cash. Opportunities, in particular high demand areas of during high demand times, your parking spot could be worth real money. So yeah, New York, well, good luck with that. Next one is REITs. REIT is a real estate investment trust, which is fancy name for a company that owns the managed real estate. REIT have special legal structure so that they pay little or not corporate income tax if they pass along most of their income to shareholders. Opportunities: you can purchase REIT on the stock market just like any other company in dividend stocks. You will earn whatever the REIT pays out as a dividend, and the best REIT have a record of increasing their dividends on annual basis. So you could have growing streams of dividends over time. Great way. A bond ladder. A bond ladder is a series of bonds that mature at different times over a period of years. The stage's maturity allows you to decrease reinvestment risk, which is the risk of reinvesting your money when bonds offer too low interest payments. The opportunity is the bond ladder is a classic passive income that has appealed to retirees and near retirees for decades. You can sit back and collect your interest payments, and when the bond matures, you extend the ladder, rolling that principal into a new set of bonds. For example, you might start your bond of 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and 7 years. In a year, well, I'm not going to go deep into it. You can do your own research if that's something that interests you more. Number 14 is a sponsored post on social media. Do you have a strong following on social media such as Instagram or TikTok? Get growing consumers brands to pay you to post about their products or otherwise feature it in your feed. You will need to keep your feeling opportunities. Leveraging social media presence is an attractive business model, drawing eyeballs and clicks to your profile with strong content, and then monetize that content by setting up sponsored posts from brands that appeal to your following. Number 15, investing in a high yield CD or savings account, which I am doing already. Investing in a high yield certified of deposit CD or savings account at an online bank can allow you to generate passive income and also get one of the highest interest rate in the country. You won't even have to leave your house to make money. This is a great opportunity. I do this so I can literally tell you that yes, it works. Number 16, rent out your home short terms. This straightforward strategy takes advantage of space that you're not using anyways and turn it into money making opportunity. You can list your space on numbers of websites such as Airbnb and set the rental terms yourself. You can collect a check for your efforts with minimal effort. So, yes. Number 17 is advertise on your car. You may be able to earn money by simply driving your car around town. Contact a specialist advertising agency which will evaluate your driving habit, including where you drive and how many miles. If you're matched, you one of their advertises, the agency will wrap your car with the ads at no cost to you. Agencies are looking for newer cars and drivers should have a clean driver record. Opportunities. While you do have to get out and drive, if you're already putting in mileage anyways, then this is a great way to earn hundreds per month with little or not extra cost. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Yay, this is my favorite because this is what I do. Are you an expert on travel to Thailand, a maven on Minecraft, a consultant? I don't know what it says there. A sultan of swimming dancing. Take your passion for subject and turn it into blog or YouTube channel using ads or sponsors to generate your income. Find popular subjects, events, small niche, and become an expert on it. Ooh, the opportunities. You can leverage a free or very low cost platform, then use your great content to build a following. This is the best way. Like, this is what I'm doing right now. So, take notes. Number 19 is rent out useful household items. Here's a variation of renting out an idle car. Start even small with one household item that people may need but that may be collecting dust in your garage. um, the opportunities, you can start small here and then scale up if there is interest in a particular area. Do people suddenly want to tend for weekends campaign when the weather gets warm or cooler? Figure out where the demand is, and then you could even go buy the item rather than having it right on your hand. In some cases, you might be able to recoup the value of the item after a few uses. Sell design online. If you have a design skill, you may be able to turn them into money. Market by selling items with your printed design on them. Business such as Cafe Press and Saddle allow you to sell items such as t-shirts, hats, mugs, and more with your own design. Opportunities: you can start your own design and see that the market is interesting and expand from here. You may be able to capitalize on surging interest in a current event and design a shirt that captures the spirit of the time, or at least a snarky take on it. And yes, which passive income source is the best? Well, the question of which passive income source is the best depend on several factors, but some of the most important include the amount of money you have to invest, the total opportunity size, your interest and ability in the area, the amount of time you need to invest, and the potential to succeed. Typically, the lower the barrier to entry, the more crowded the field or competitors, and the lower likelihood of success. So, with this being said, I have shared with you 20 passive income ideas that I found on Bankrate. Shout out to them, which we can all implement to grow our bank accounts without having to do much work. So I hope you like this video. So we have gotten to the end of the video. I hope all the information that I shared with you today was helpful. Make sure you apply what we learned, because remember, if we don't put the action, there's not going to be a result, because we're not doing anything to build our wealth. So please give it a like to this video, subscribe, and you can watch this video next.